Hey guys, today I am with
Peppy!
and today we're going to show you how to make soup out of nature. The materials you'll need are
I'm gonna eat the thing.
oh my god and grass and leaves.
These leaves.
Leaves
Grab a lot of them. Eat them. Get those little suckers.
and water.
This nice, beautiful, natural orange one.
Okay, we got all our ingredients and now to make it.
But first, I need to go get some rocks.
Okay, we got them rocks. Now to add them to the soup.
Oh yeah!
Now for the special ingredients.
Wait, nothing.
You just add the grass.
Ah!
Now the leaves.
I'm on my head. Add them all in there. Get in there.
Now to mix it all together.
With what?
I don't know.
How about this shit?
Yes.
Mix it all together, and what do you get? Best of both worlds. You gotta have some theme music. This is horrible theme music. What do you think you're doing?
I don't know. Okay, now time for taste test.
So what am I doing here again?
You're going to eat the soup.
This is okay. I'm getting paid for this. Move out of my way. Whoops. Okay. Do I drink it or do I eat it?
Do whatever you do to get done with that soup.
Okay. Poison me!
Uh-oh.
So done here. So done!
And that's how you make soup out of nature.
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 Now go out there and do it yourself. Woo!